Hello friends, welcome back. Let's dive into the basics of templates in WordPress themes. Note that I will be using the 2021 Classic theme in this example. However, these concepts translate to block themes as well. Now, one of the important files is frontpage.php file. In a Classic theme, the frontpage.php template is always used as a site front page if it exists, regardless of what settings on admin settings readings page. The home.php template, on the other hand, is used as a front page by default if you have not set WordPress to use a static front page. If the home.php file is not available, WordPress falls back to the index.php file. For example, let me create a home.php file by copying the index.php file. Now, this file becomes our homepage template. Let's change some content here and visit the home page. You can see the home.php file is being used as there is no content here. If you want to display a list of blog posts, the home.php file can be used to replace the default index.php behavior. When the WordPress settings are configured to display the latest posts on home page, the home.php file will load. However, if you configure WordPress to use a static page for your front page, you will need to set both the home page and the posts page in the settings reading section. Let's set the home page to front page and posts page to a blog page. Save these changes and visit the front end. It will now display the static page as front page and blogs page on posts page. But let's say you want to have a separate front page. You can also create a front page.php file. Let's copy an existing template and rename it to front page.php file and use it to customize our content. You can see the front page being used on your home page. This file allows you to manage content separately for your home page. This way, you can manage the front page either through the admin managed pages or separately via a frontpage.php file. You can see in the pages section on your admin, your front page is set as front page and the blog page is set as the posts page. But when this template is present, it overrides the default behavior. Now let's talk about 404 template. This file is used for displaying 404 pages when the content is not found. For example, if a user visits a non-existent URL, the 404.php file will render the appropriate page. This template can be customized to engage users by offering options like a search bar or links to key articles. Let's see how it looks. If we visit the front end, let me visit a non-existent URL. This will display the 404.php template. This file is being used for displaying the 404 pages when no content is found. Notice that it is offering search bar to funnel users into using the search form to search for content users are looking for. Similarly, you can also provide links to some of the important articles here that might interest the users. Similarly, in the archive.php file, this file is used for archive pages such as category or taxonomy archives. For instance, let me navigate to the blogs page and navigate to one of the category pages. WordPress loads the archive.php file. For example, the archive page displays the archive description and a list of posts belonging to that archive. If you don't want to display the archive description, you can modify the archive.php file accordingly. Let's do that and see the changes. Now if I reload this page, the description is gone. Thus, the archive.php file template serves as a default for all archive pages. But you can also create custom archive templates for specific posts or taxonomies. If you need a different design for post types or taxonomies, you can create specific files like taxonomy hyphen and the taxonomy term.php or archive hyphen and the post type term.php, and we will learn more about different types of templates later in the template hierarchy section. Next, we have the image.php file. This template is used for displaying image attachments, including associated metadata, and if the file is not available, WordPress defaults to other templates in the hierarchy. The page.php template is used for rendering pages. For instance, if you visit this page, this is the template that is being loaded here. If I demo this, By removing this line that displays the content and reloading this page, the content will disappear. Therefore, the page.php file is being used for displaying the content for individual pages. If the page.php file is missing, WordPress defaults back to the index.php file. Next, we have the search.php template. This template is used to display search results. For example, if you search for any keyword here, this template handles the layout of the results. You can also modify the search form using the searchform.php template, which is loaded wherever the getSearchForm function is called. We also have single.php template for single post pages, providing layout and styling for individual posts. Next, let's talk about rtl.css and style.css files. The rtl.css files handle styles for right to left languages, while the style.css file defines the theme's main styles. Finally, we also have screenshot.png file. This image represents the theme in the appearance themes section. While not mandatory, it is best practice to include this file, and the recommended dimensions are 1200 by 900 for optimal display. In summary, each template file serves a specific purpose, and understanding the WordPress template hierarchy allows you to customize your site's appearance and functionality effectively. By leveraging these templates, you can build a more engaging and user-friendly website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Jai WordPress!